Alright, well, there's the nut welded to the bolt. Let it cool down for just a few minutes. Sorry about that. Not very long. I'm just going to let it cool down so it doesn't break off real easy. And just give it a shot, see if I can back that bolt right out. And there you go. I'm not going to be stupid enough to reach down there and grab that. I'm not saying I'm smart or anything, but I pretty much know that is still hot. But that's how you walk out a broken off bolt with a little bit of wire welder, some tossed out nuts, and just a few seconds of your time.